All right, we made it to the shop. We got our good boy Rad Dan in the house. Yes, sirski. This thing is so hot. Yes, sir, dude. Look at this thing.
Naked Supra. There's Willie.
Hello. What's up?
Hi, people.
Hey.
So we're pretty much ready, but he brought.
Let's make some jam on this thing.
TJ. So I wanted to see this. Boom. Right there, guys.
Yes, sirski. Go up. It's a 3.2. No, go down. It's a 3.2. It's a
big giant turbo.
Yeah, it's a Gen 2 8685. It's got the Gato intake, ID 2600s, A1000 pump.
Trade slicks on there.
Yeah, it's street car, man. This is my fourth RX-7. So on my fourth one, I decided I was like, well, I don't have my fourth one anymore. So technically this is my third. So I have 3 total RX-7s. I've the pro car, then we're building a new comp car, and then now this is my street version of a FD. It's like you with your obsession in Supras.
Look inside the shop. Show us inside the shop.
Let's go. Yeah, full interior, 8.8 rear. We got this thing. We got our buddy here just building some motors. This is a LS turbo. Ain't Jay-Z, but it works.
Makes a lot of power.
Got our dog Dan here. You saw our last video, we had that V12 here too, so it's been a lot of like important people coming by lately with fancy cameras and all that cool stuff. It's really cool, I love it. We're growing very well, lots of cool going on. I've known Dan for a very long time. We've communicated lots and lots and lots and lots of times over the years. His car is really fucking loud. It's loud. It's a 3.4 liter too. It's just crisp. A dog, I have a Frenchie here.
No, 50-50 custody.
Get down. It's a boy too, you're not worried about,
I'll send you a picture. Well, it's a one in a lifetime boy, so you gotta let me know because I don't think people tell me.
He or she?
This is a boy.
It's a boy. It's not like he's gonna do anything to him.
No, he's been around so many puppies. Okay, puppy, puppy. He looks like Baby Yoda. Name him Grogu.
There you go. Grogu. That's it. Yeah, you
I
like
think
one.
it's not like me.
Yes, he does.
Oh, well.
There, you just like Papa. That's it. It's all you. He just like Papa.
Tú estás feo con cojones,
No,
¿sabes?
papi. The new thing in this life now
Is ugly dogs?
The ugly dogs is the prettiest thing in the world.
We're back. We're here with Dan. We're at King's. You already know where we're at. Dan,
What's up, guys?
good guy right here.
I'm
big,
Dan.
big 2J guy. I love this guy. I've been watching him for like 10 years, dude. He's awesome.
Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, day we hustle, but the
So, Dan,
What's up?
how you feeling, dog?
I'm excited to
Going back to FD.
I'm excited to see your shop. Go back to FD. Thanks for the dyno time on the rollers.
Oh, yeah.
Everything went smooth. So going back to FD for sure. I had to
I know you were
anxiously wait last year because I just didn't have the funding and I didn't want to risk like going in debt for that. And I was like,
Yeah, I see you
it'll
got
be a good year off.
You got
And
some good partners now and stuff like that.
Yeah, we just hustled last year, Renee and I, and so excited for that. And then I updated to VVTi head this
see
time,
that.
so we got some mid-range
Cool
torque.
carbon fiber stuff
which
on
will be
there.
good, yeah.
Maybe get a B-roll on
We'll
that.
have those covers available on the website soon, but first we got to get him his before they go on the website because he needs
Please,
some
please,
badly.
dude, please. I need it, dude. I got people hitting me up. I sent one picture in the group chat. And they're like, I
Give
need
me
all
that.
of them. Man,
Well,
so
it's
tell us
just-
about the car, man. What'd you do differently this year? Like, I know it's
basically-
you said something about a 3.4 on it? The 3.4?
Okay, it's always a 3.4 stroker, so I do the lightweight Brian Crower crank, the BC crank. That's like 5309 LW. That's the part number, so that's the lightweight one. Then I use Carrillo HD rods. I use custom CP pistons that are 11-to-1 compression, so it's like real spicy to like
Right.
get into boost real quick. And then I decided to run the VVTi head because I just recently started like buying those in bulk from Toyota Japan, and then
I've been
so I-
following
I sell
that.
those
Why-
VVTi
Why'd you
heads.
go VVTi?
Well, I didn't need it, is what I thought. I mean, you always would need it because it's gonna do something for you. But I was like, well, I'm high compression, I'm a stroker, I have nitrous, and like it always makes around like 940 wheel, or sometimes depends on the dyno. Here it made like 300, but whatever.
I didn't make 300.
It made less than it normally does here, but we're not worried about the number. I'm not
Car's
gonna tell
good.
you.
Car's-
It's a secret.
Car's good. It's making sounds. It's running.
Yeah.
It's doing what it
So,
needs to do.
it made 80 or 81 foot-pounds of torque in the mid-range and bottom end that like in places it didn't before with the VVTi gear. So it was just like, and I knew that because I've done so many customer cars, but I was just being like kind of stubborn and not doing
So,
it.
like-
anyways, we did it. That's gonna help.
That's interesting because like all the 2Js that we do them non-VVTi.
Well, if
All
it's
are
like a
big power
drag
cars.
guy, like big giant power, they're probably only worried about the power working, like
From a
at-
certain RPM
yeah,
to a certain
let's say
RPM.
it's like 5 to 8 or whatever their red line is, maybe higher, or like 51, like 48 if they're no, it's gonna be like 55 if it's a big power
Right, 'cause,
car.
like, some
so
are-
this we need power from like 4 to 8, or
Right.
like if you can bring it you need 4,000 of like a good window to drift in like confidently. And if you're competing against V8s, which most of them are, or supercharged V8s, you need that. You're chasing that square power band. So like, if you look at my dyno graph, it does come up. It's a JZ one, but it's still closer to a
It
V8.
has a V8 curve.
It has a V8 torque curve, and then like you're trying to get the HP curve to do it. It still ramps up, but it doesn't do one of those like ski.
Yeah,
jump
where it
bullshit,
goes and it
like,
just fucking shoots.
That's a drag car. So
Yeah.
we're chasing like the square, and so that's why we did that. There's not much more we can do at this point except nitrous all the way through the power band and a bigger turbo. And I don't want a bigger turbo because trust me, it drives better. So I tried the bigger turbo.
We're glad you came, dude.
Yeah,
We love
thanks
the
for
car,
having
dude.
me.
Of course, man. We're being in contact. We're always sending each other stupid little shit. You know, we're always looking to get cool stuff like carbon fiber freaking covers. But you know, soon they'll be available.
They'll be available soon.
But yeah, man. Good luck at FD this year.
Thank you.
Holler at me.
I will. I'll be back.
Good Sirski.
I'll
Let's
be
get
back.
it. Thanks
See
for
you guys.
watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give him a follow if you guys don't follow him yet.
Yeah,
And
we got a YouTube channel. Check
yes,
it out.
they do. They do.
Wild.
Hey, don't blow smoke on me. Don't blow V8 smoke onto me. This guy over here.
V8 guys, man.
I know.
What's wrong with V8 guys? I got a couple of them things.
I think he's signed for that?
I feel like I look awkward as hell.
No, you look hot. Like Florida hot.
You looked awkward in there.
Wait, so we're gonna try and get arrested out here?
You want to? I'll make a video.
I
I'll sit in
mean-
the passenger seat with a camera.
If you
I
want,
like to try and get arrested sometimes.
if you want, we can go back. We have a corner that we hit back there. If you're willing to hit it, it's sketchy. We hit it.
Yeah, but like it's. I don't really get it. I'd rather just like do something on.
All good?
Yeah, I just don't want a red line, so I tried to be like, I could bog it now, and it was like, no, you can't.
sandals.
Get the sandals in there, yeah.
Damn it, we wasted a set of tires.
On the fucking.
TT, can I have a couple more, please?
How do you like the Champiros? Are you
They're like
recording?
just amazing,
They're good.
just amazing. You like Treadstone?
Really loves Treadstone.
They've been with me for 10 years.
God dang!
Treadstone. And then I ended up moving to Florida, and they're like, no way!
Yeah.
I still never went there.
Both of our cars are on the
Pretty
website.
sure both of you are on the
We
website.
are.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
one and that one. It's fun.
Uh,
Out here?
I should probably drive back.
It's like, I should.
You're so far.
It's 100 miles or 105 or something.
What's the area?
It's Bristol River.
Right,
Yeah.
So
I
like,
used to live in Portland.
Then you said the